Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you another laser cutting machine that Uniconics will bring to APP Expo Exhibition 2024 in Shanghai. It is Uniconics high-speed flying galvo laser cutting machine. The machine is characterized by its high-speed galvo laser head. Unlike the laser head equipped on XY-axis mode laser cutting machine, the galvo laser head is suitable for high-speed and fine laser cutting. You can cut garment and textile, hijab, skirts, fashion apparel, ventilation hole for sportswear, scarves and shorts, table clothes, curtains, shoes materials, and bags with this machine. We have also equipped the machine with a vision system, and it can also be used to cut sublimation printed materials. Let's experience cutting-edge technologies and solutions in laser applications. Expect to see you again in Shanghai.